8. System unit. Once the data and instructions are received from the input devices, they are stored and processed in the system unit. The system unit is available in different shapes and sizes. It may be vertical or horizontal. It is also known as computer cabinet. It has on or off and reset buttons, a DVD or CD-ROM disk drive, and a flash drive. This is commonly known as CPU. Let us take a look at what is there inside the system unit. Motherboard. A computer cabinet has a motherboard inside it, which holds and connects all the important components inside the computer. Some of the important components on the motherboard are CPU, memory, disk devices, etc. Central Processing Unit (CPU). Just as we humans have a brain, a computer has a CPU, also called a processor, that does all the thinking. It is the brain of the computer and is a small chip located on the motherboard. It is the main part of the system unit. CPU takes instructions from the other parts of the computer and carries out the task. It also performs all the calculations and takes the necessary decisions. The better the processor, the faster the computer works. CPU has mainly two parts. 1. Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU). 2. Control Unit (CU). 1. Arithmetic Logic Unit. This unit performs all the mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operations like yes or no comparisons. True, false, greater than, and equal to. 2. Control Unit. This unit controls all the parts of the computer. It deals with the input as per the instructions using the memory and the ALU. After processing, it sends results back to the memory from where they will be sent to the output device. Memory. There is a memory chip on the motherboard of a computer. This memory chip comprises of 1. Random access memory (RAM). 2. Read-only memory (ROM). 1. Random access memory (RAM). RAM is the main memory of the computer. It is also known as read and write memory because we can write information to the RAM and also read information stored on it. 2. Read-only memory (ROM). ROM is a small part of the main memory where important instructions are stored, such as instructions to start the computer. The computer can only read the instructions stored in the ROM. We cannot write onto the ROM. Disk devices. A disk is used to store data. The disk devices in a computer cabinet are 1. Hard disk. 2. CD-ROM or DVD. Recently, flash drives or USB, Universal Serial Bus, flash drives are also being used to store and transport data in the form of files.